Hi and welcome to a Visualogyx tutorial. In Visualogyx, you can conduct an inspection by filling out a predefined template, or you can conduct a free-form inspection by collecting data as the event unfolds. After completing this tutorial, you will be familiar with creating a free-form inspection, generating an inspection report, and sharing it. Let's use the Visualogyx mobile app to start a new free-form inspection. Sign into the Visualogyx app. Expand the main menu, tap on Inspections under a team, and tap on the plus sign at the bottom. On this screen, select Free-Form or Blank Inspection. An empty free-form inspection is created. Before starting, tap on the Edit icon to enter a name for the inspection. Let's call this one our Test Inspection. At the bottom of this screen, Visualogyx conveniently captures your current location. If you want to change it, tap on the arrow and select a different location on the map, or remove it altogether by tapping on the X. Go back to the inspection by tapping on the back arrow. Now we are ready to start our inspection. The caret icon allows you to expand the Tools menu and change the type of data you are collecting. In this instance, we are set to capture data using the camera tool. So let's give it a try. Tapping on the camera will activate the Visualogyx camera. Here you have the option to take a photo or switch to video. Let's tap to take a photo. If you wish, you can add a note to the picture. Tap on Done. We have captured your first observation. Let's do one more. This time, let's capture video. Tap on the camera button again. Switch to video and capture the video. Add a note to document the video. You can click on the play button to play a preview of the video. Tap on Done when ready. As you can see, you have captured your second observation. The most recent observation is displayed on top of the inspection feed. Let's try switching to another type of data capture tool. One of the most typically used tools is the text note. Expand the Tools menu and tap on the Note icon. You are now on a screen where you can enter any text. Enter any content in the text field. Tap on the back arrow to go back. You now have captured a note, which is displayed on the top of your inspection feed. Notice that the Action button remains in Note mode. This allows you to continue capturing notes repeatedly. Let's explore the next tool. Expand the Tools menu again and select Check-in. Your current location will be added on a map to the inspection feed. Expand the menu, tap on Audio, and tap on the button to start recording. Tap on the button again to stop. On this screen, you can preview the recording and add a text note to it. Select Done when you are ready to add it to your inspection. The barcode tool lets you capture information in barcodes and QR codes. Tap on Barcode and point the camera to the barcode. Once the app detects the barcode, its embedded information will be added to the inspection feed. Lastly, Visualogyx designed a tool called InstaCount. It detects objects in a picture and counts them using an AI algorithm. Expand the menu, select InstaCount, and point the camera at objects with the same shapes to count them quickly. If you want to delete an entry in a free-form inspection, tap the menu on the corner and select Delete. Now that we know how to conduct a free-form inspection, let's learn how to create a report and share it. Tap on the menu in the corner of an inspection and select Report. Here you have two options, View Report and Email Report. Select View Report. A report will be automatically generated. Tap on the Share icon. Here you can send a report via email, text message, or any other messaging or sharing app you have available. Now that you have finalized capturing your observations and shared a report, let's set the inspection to completed. Return to the Edit option in your inspection. Change the status from In Progress to Completed. It's important to note that when conducting any Visualogyx inspection, all your content is stored in the cloud automatically and synced to all your devices. If you want to request a new feature, report an issue, or schedule personal training, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Thank you.